Hello, Miss. Unified. Can you tell me what's your name? Mia. How are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you, Mia?
I'm 4 years old.
4. 4 years old. Really? What class are you in?
I think that that's true.
Okay, great. Can you tell me about numbers? Like,
I
what
like
number do you like?
I like number 4.
What number don't you like?
I don't like number 7.
7. Great. What colors do you like?
I like pink.
What color don't you like?
I don't like black.
Okay, do you like gray?
That's blue.
Okay, wow, you're so good, Mia. Okay, what color is this?
It's red.
And this?
It's
And
orange.
this?
It's
How
black.
about this?
It's white.
And this?
It's brown.
And this one?
It's red.
And this?
It's purple.
And this one?
It's
How
yellow.
about
It's
this?
blue.
And this?
It's gold.
And this?
It's pink.
Absolutely. Who is he?
He's a king.
What is this?
It's a chili
What
car.
is this?
It's a tree.
What is this?
It's a
Yes, what is this?
It's a pencil.
And this?
It's a plane.
What is this?
It's an igloo.
What is this? It's a rabbit.
It's a
What
rabbit.
color is the rabbit?
It's blue.
What is this?
It's a house.
How is it? How is it? Okay, what are they?
Fire toy.
Toys, right? Toys. What are they?
And a number.
Numbers. What is this?
It's a row.
And this?
It's a leaf.
What color is the leaf?
It's green.
What are they?
They are red.
Grapes.
Red.
What is it?
It's orange.
And
And
it's an orange.
it's a nose.
What is it?
It's a hat.
What can you do?
I can laugh.
What can you do?
I can dance.
What can you do?
I can cook.
What can you do?
I can swim.
What can you do?
I can
What
run.
can you do?
I can walk.
What can you do?
I can eat.
What can you do?
I can read.
Yes, what can you do?
I can
What
ride.
can you do?
I can draw.
What can you do?
I can think.
What can you do?
I can listen.
What can you do?
I can see.
What can you do?
I can sit down.
Wow!